details matter. Every produced item needs to meet exact specifications. How can you guarantee high quality and also maintain uptime in production? SICK offers a solution, the Quality Inspection SensorApp. With this app, any quality assurance application in factory automation can easily be solved. Do you need quick customization? The tool plugin support with source code access offers any customer exceptional customization possibilities. The SICK Nova Foundation makes this possible. You can quickly solve 2D vision inspection by configuring a selection of tools via the user interface in a web browser. The measurement results can be communicated via several field buses, such as Ethernet, IP, and Profinet. The user interface is convenient and easy to learn. Special inspection needs are quickly solved with a custom tool, rapidly created by anyone with a SICK App Space license. The Quality Inspection SensorApp is the future for automated quality assurance. With this SensorApp, you improve production yield, make sure you deliver high-quality products, and significantly improve your profitability. SICK App Space, engineering framework for your sensor applications. All applications, all technologies, one ecosystem.